लेके आई हूँ होपफुली एक हॉल जो आपको बहुत हेल्पफुल होगी. So this video is actually only for women and especially big breasted ones. If you are not a member of the itty bitty titty committee, so I am here to help you out. This is a bag जिसमें La Senza की bras हैं और I had gone shopping and I got the most outstanding deal. Unfortunately वो सिर्फ 2 ही दिन के लिए थी, लेकिन I have basically got a loot. इसी को loot and haul कहते हैं. So without further ado, I'll get straight into this. These are all bras for a bigger chest or a heavier kind of a woman. So let's get straight into this. तो ये है bag of La Senza. और a fun fact जो मुझे नहीं पता था is that La Senza is owned by Victoria's Secret. That is why the styles are so awesome and you know I have always been a Triumph girl, लेकिन इस बार I got some really beautiful ones. तो ये वाली आप इनके प्राइसेस सुन के आप गिर मत जाइएगा. I'll also tell you the deal which I got, which makes it worthwhile. So look at this one. This beauty is called a Diva Demi Cup. तो इसका जो ये सारे जो ब्रास हैं, I'll show you in the close-ups. ये इनका जो कट है, it is very different from the sides. I'll show some of them to you. But इसकी beauty जो है, look at this lace underneath. Can you see this? There is this lace happening over here, and this is going to give a very beautiful, you know, shape to you. जो इतना beautiful है, ये मैंने कहीं देखा नहीं. The lace is stretchy. It is very stretchy. As you can see, quality तो outstanding है ही. ये underwire है and very lightly lined because bigger busts don't need much of padding. It doesn't look too good. तो इसमें underwire है for superb support. और ये जो है, you can hook it up like this. यहाँ पे 2 hooks ऐसे आते हैं. You can just hook it up and turn it into a racer back bra. And it's a racer back, not razor back. Correct? You know, like. So this is what it looks like. पीछे आप इसको इस तरह से hook करके you can turn it. I don't know how to show this. You can hook it like this and turn it into a racer back. So this is very beautiful. ये पूरा lace है. There's black lace on. There is pink lace on black, and it's like so outstanding. So that was one bra. इसका price जो है बहुत ही deadly है. It's 3,700 and 3,499 is the price. But there was a deal going on जिसमें I got these. Okay, this is a balconette bra. These are some of the most popular of Victoria's Secret bras. और सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि Victoria's Secret की availability यहाँ पे is like itself a big deal for me. So this is a balconette bra and you can see how it is cut on the sides. आप देख सकते हो ये जो sides का जो एक there is a kind of a cut over here जो आपको शायद you'll see it better. Hold on a sec. Kind of cut happening over here. ये इसका cut है दोनों तरफ. कई सारे ब्रास में ये है. This is what will give your breast a very nice shape. So this is basically a balconette bra. लेकिन ये आप टी-शर्ट्स में पहन सकते हैं, like any kind of fabric जो थोड़ा भी see through है. बिल्कुल plain है ये. और ये कितने की थी? This was also for 3,499. So the deal is you buy 2 bras and they'll charge you for 2 bras and you're getting 3 bras free, which is outstanding because considering the prices of these, so like I don't think I can afford 5 at a time. Possible नहीं है. Okay, the next one is very similar. Okay, no, the next one here is also okay. So the next one is black, or as you can see, it's again got that same, there's the same kind of ये जो है नीचे it's so pretty. ये पहनने के बाद एक ब्रालेट जैसा दिखता है. If there are people bold enough, like they can actually get away with wearing this as a bralette. अगर आपका size, if you're in a smaller size, because big breasted people cannot even dream about it, but you'll straight away look like a porn star. So don't even try it, in my opinion. बाकी तो of course आपकी मर्जी, it's your body, you can do whatever you like with it. So this is the back, which is fully laced, so beautiful, fully laced, stretched. Of course the whole lace जितना भी है stretchable है. All of them, every wire here you see is underwired and it's got a very thin lining, and in some cases there is a kind of padding. It's not padding, but there is a very nice support which is going to give your breast a very beautiful lift. ये भी जो है, it's got that same, this black one, it's got the same cut. Let me try and hold it up. So it's got the same cut on the sides, and this is what is going to give you that beautiful lift. This next bra is so pretty. मैंने इसको almost लिया ही नहीं, but I don't know what I was thinking there. Such a pretty color. Just check this out. Such a pretty color. So this, I don't know what I was thinking leaving this. I'm so happy कि she told me to take it because इसमें बहुत limited bras थी. These are all 36 double Ds and there was a very limited variety in these bras. तो ये भी ऐसी है, इट्स गॉट दिस अ वेरी प्रिटी काइंड ऑफ, ये जो है ना एक ऐसा आ रहा है यहाँ पे, दिस काइंड ऑफ अ वेरी प्रिटी, व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, एक स्ट्रिंग्स आ रहा है एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। ये भी, ये जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, इट्स वेरी यूनिक, आई हैव नेवर सीन दिस इन एनी अदर ब्रा। तो ये है नीचे का जो, ये जो लेस है, सो ब्यूटीफुल, दिस इज व्हाई मैं कह रही हूँ ना, these can be worn as bralettes. I've seen if you're very skinny, very thin, you have a very beautiful figure, तो आप if you can get away with it, it's really pretty. इसका कलर जो है, it's like, just imagine this like a sari blouse or something, so beautiful. Okay, the last, this one was, how much was this for? This is for 3299. Okay, the next one here, this is the most expensive of them all. ये वाली bra है for 5000 something. It is, yeah. This one is for 5299. Can you believe that? First, like almost 6,000 bucks. 5299, not really 6. So this is a balconette bra, and again ये इसको मैं पता नहीं क्यों छोड़ रही थी, but so I've paid for this bra and the other next most expensive one, paid for 2 bras and I've got 3 for free, which is awesome because every bra is like, none of them is under 3200, 3200 से नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है. So basically मुझे 10,000 की bras free मिल गई है, and these are not just any bras, these are, I would say they are luxury for your boots, like you know, it's really really beautiful. And मैं guarantee दे सकती हूँ आपको कि after wearing these, like even a person like me, I could see a huge difference in the figure. Dress में difference आ गया. I'll try and insert some pictures here because I tried this one with the dress, and each I tried almost all of them, and it is amazing, it's stupendous. You will not get a cut over here which will give you a half boob, side boob, कुछ भी problem नहीं होगी आपको. You just know, you should know just how to fit into these. And what I'm really loving is there is this, ये जो अंदर से आप देख रहे हो ना, they've got some kind of there's some technology happening here, and I guess this is what the balconette bra is all about. ये balconette है, and the balconettes are the most expensive, and also ये Victoria's Secrets की highest selling bra है after the push-up. Balconette bras are like to die for. मैंने अभी तक I don't think I've even seen a balconette in Triumph. If I'm wrong, please correct me. मुझे comment से बताइएगा if you've seen any balconette bras in very good brands. These are all super pricey, okay, very pricey, but there is a reason. I have no issues investing. These are not for everyday use, of course. तो ये step की bras और 5 ले लिए, like I'm good to go for the next many years. So these are beautiful. इसके अंदर there is some diamonds. Black वाले में भी है और इसमें भी there's some kind of very light diamonds happening. So I just wish it wasn't white because I don't like white bras. They remind me of my grandmother. मुझे white bras पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन अब क्या करें, they were, as I said, very limited ones. तो जब भी सेल होती है, I would advise you कि आप try to go ASAP. वो तो साइज की वजह से मुझे फिर भी वैरायटी मिली, but I have a feeling कि a lot of people have, you know, like taken a lot of the, like, you know, stock खत्म हो चुका था. It was like almost ending. So these are the 5 bras. The deal was with La Senza, buy 2, you pay for the highest 2, and you're getting 3 bras free, which is stupendous because basically ये पूरा का पूरा जो the 5 के 5 bras की if I just add up the retail, it is going up to 20,000 bucks, but I've only paid 9,000 bucks for this, for 5 bras. And even the sales girl was telling me, man, you got a really good deal because, like, you know, just 2 bras and you're getting 3 free, वो भी La Senza की bras. So these are not for everyday use. I repeat, these are investments when you're going out for special sarees, and definitely इसमें से कुछ bras हैं जो आप bralettes की तरह पहन सकते हैं, जो you can wear like sari blouses and, like, you know, many other things. So that was it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. And also आज Sultan of Brunei इसलिए बनी हुई हूँ मैं because my hair has not been washed. I just shot a video before this with the same damn thing, and it's just hiding all the grease. It's doing its job, yeah. And I will see you soon. Bye.